Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. And friend, there is the biggest hiring news which is coming here from Persistent System and collaboration with Rivachar. They are hiring 2023, 2024 and 2025 graduate. Friends, I'm telling you, this is a very good opportunity which you are getting from Persistent System, one of the top company. Okay, so now here you see we are building the next generation of tech giant right from Goa beach. Okay, so Persistent System is hiring freshers as associate software engineer. So the role is associate software engineer. And friends, I would like to tell you, okay, so if you go here, right, so role is associate software engineer and eligible degree BE BTech, ME MTech, MCA MSc. Eligible branches computer science, information technology and circuital branches where electronics, electrical and all those things comes in picture. Year of passing 2023, 2024 or 2025. Alumni willing to relocate are also encouraged to apply. अरे भाई जॉब अगर गोवा में मिले जहाँ पे बीच और बी मतलब मिले, then definitely we will be relocating. Who will not relocate? You tell me. If I get selected tomorrow, I'll be making videos from Goa only. Hey guys, I'm on the beach. Persistent System is hiring along with Rivachar. You can see the background, right? 2023, 2024, 2025. I mean, it will be awesome, right? Okay, anyway. So, should and must apply. First and last opportunity to work in Goa, build the next generation of tech talent in Goa, right? Okay, good. Now, sir, how to apply? So, the information we have already got. And then application link here they have given. So Goa talent, global impact, apply now. Okay, so generally friends, this TCS paid NQT, you know. So Persistent System hires through TCS paid NQT. But this time you have opportunity to directly apply in Persistent System in collaboration with Rivachar. Okay, so they have clearly mentioned, okay, where here? Or by LinkedIn post, right? Okay. So Persistent System is hiring freshers as associate software engineer in partnership with Rivachar. Correct? Okay. Now, so how you have to accept all cookies and then how you have to fill. So required full name, email ID, contact number, alternate contact number, college name. Please specify if you have highest qualification. Okay. So friends, anyway, here they have mentioned BSc, BCA. But when we were seeing for the hirings, then it was only for BE BTech, MCA, MSc and ME MTech. So if you are graduate in this field, then only you go ahead and apply for it. BSc, BCA, please do not apply. So Rivachar, Persistent candidate confirmation form. The opportunity is specifically for, Goa resident only. But if you are willing to, right? But if you are willing to see, they have clearly mentioned where, okay. So if you go here, we are hiring. Okay, next slide. Okay, associate software engineer, and then alumni willing to relocate are also encouraged to apply. So if you are willing to relocate to Goa, then please go ahead and apply. Okay, so it should not like, no, but yeah, I will work from Bangalore, I will work from Delhi, I will work from Noida. Then it will not happen. Thank you, take care and all the very, very best. And this was a short video because this was what I wanted to tell you in this particular video. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care. Bye bye.